Good morning. Let's have coffee first. Bago mag-bike. See you later.
Wallet mo na sa'yo na?
Yung paalis ako ha. Clip.
Speaking of yan, sige, sige. Wala ko si Kuya Jeff niya. Bye.
Hi guys, good morning. Nandito kami sa Balukok, Apalit. This is one of favorite spots for cyclists, bikers, no? All the way papunta tong or labas nito Pulilan Bypass Road. So now we're going to San Padre Pio Baliwag. So come join us.
Hey, good morning guys.
Hello,
We're here
guys.
again at Balukok.
Yan ang aming
Bypass
mamang
Road.
pulis. Si Striker. And then si Dan. Dan, say hello.
Hello.
Okay guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa dulo ng Balukok at papasok na tayo sa Pulilan Baliwag Bypass Road. See you later. Okay guys, we've just reached our destination, which is yung San Padre Pio Baliwag. And ito na yung pinaka-end nung pupuntahan namin today. After that, mag-breakfast lang kami sandali dyan, then balik na naman ulit ng Malolos. See you later guys. Photo.
Ano lang yung state lang. State na ano. Okay. Got initial 31 kilometers.
31 kilometers. So,
Initial run.
yun, no? So, mamaya pa ulit. Pabalik na naman another 31. Okay.